Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you that how you can make an image viewer app using Tkinter. So firstly you have to import Tkinter by simply writing from Tkinter import star, which will import everything from Tkinter. Now you have to install another package which is named pillow. So open the terminal and you have to type pip install pillow. Here you guys can see, and when I hit enter it says requirement already satisfied because I have already installed this package. So after installing the package you have to write from pill uppercase P I and L import image and image tk. Now after importing the image and image tk, you have to make an empty window. So for that I will type root equals tk and root dot main loop. It will simply create an empty window. I have told you that in my previous videos, you can watch them too. So when I run the code, you can see here that the name of the window is tk. We can also change that. I have shown that too in the previous videos. And simply write root dot title in the empty parentheses within the quotation marks image viewer. So this is the name of our window. If I run the code again, you guys can see here that the name of the window is changed. Now after setting up your window, now let's move ahead to images. So firstly I will create a variable for my first image by writing image1 equals image tk dot photo image and in the empty parentheses image dot open and in the empty parentheses the name of the image. I have copied my images in this project's directory. So let's write the name of the image in double quotation marks, and same we will do for the next images. So simply copy and paste as it is. You just have to change the name of the variable and the name of the image in each line. So after that I have to create a label. So I will name this label lab. So lab equals label and in the empty parentheses image equals image1. After that I will pack this label. So simply write lab.pack with empty parentheses. Now after running the code, you guys can see here a beautiful image appears. This is the image that we have named the image 1. So let's head back to the code. Now let's make a list of the images that we have created above. So now that our list is created, let's make buttons. For example, exit button, previous button and next button. So first button is exit button. I will name it as exit underscore button equals button and in the empty parentheses its properties like padx equals 20 and pad y equals, let's say, 5 and text equals Calibri in the empty parentheses in double quotation marks Calibri 18. Now our exit button is created. Let's copy this line and paste it as it is below. So as I need 3 buttons, so I will copy it 3 times. I will change the name of the buttons and some of their properties. Let's change lab.pack to lab.grid, in which row equals to 0, column equals to 0, and column span equals to 3. So after creating the buttons, let's pack them into our window. So for that, I will write exit underscore button dot grid in the empty parentheses, row equals to, let's say, 1, and column equals to 1. Same we will do in the next line, so copy that and paste it as it is. Rows will remain as it is, and change the name of buttons and the column numbers. Now let's run the code, and you guys can see here that the buttons are having text calibre 18. So here I have to change text to font, and I have to add another property which is text. So in previous button, text equals the backward arrow in the quotation marks, and in the next button the text will be double forward arrows in the double quotation marks. The text of the exit button will be text equals in the double quotation marks exit. Now if I run the code, you guys can see that our image viewer app is built perfectly, but none of the button is working perfectly. So in the next tutorial, I will show you guys how to add functions in these buttons. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.